Today we have a 2026 Forest River Rockwood. This 402 SFL is 40 feet in length, has a dry weight of 11,989 pounds, and can sleep up to 8 guests comfortably. The exterior of this unit features a pass-through storage compartment, slide toppers, rear 9-foot electric awning, and a 17-foot awning over the entryway. Starting in the mid-kitchen, we see the dining area, large single-bowl sink within the island, residential 3-burner range, over-the-range microwave, pantry closet, 12-volt refrigerator, and cabinets for storage. Next, in the front living area of the unit, we see the 2 hide-a-bed sofas, theater seating with overhead cabinets, telescopic TV, Bluetooth sound system, and electric fireplace. Moving towards the rear of the unit, we have the bathroom on the right. It features a sink, backlit vanity mirror, foot flush toilet, linen closet, and walk-in shower with sliding glass door. Finally, in the rear of the unit, we have the bedroom. It features a king-size bed with storage underneath, backlit mirror, wardrobe closet that is prepped for a washer and dryer, TV, and cabinets. For more information or pricing on this unit, please visit our website or give us a call.